Hey, what's up friends? Isang maulan at masayang araw sa inyo, and we are back again. Well, allow me to share with you our dining experience dito sa isa sa mga pioneer restaurant ng Sangyup. At ito ay wala nang iba pa kundi ang Sangyup Salamat. Well, as you know guys, this restaurant was established back in 2012, and their goal is to give their customers a unique Korean dining experience. And for today's video nga pala, the reason why we're here is for us to celebrate Carmela's milestone, my favorite sister-in-law. So, ano pa hinihintay natin? Let's go! So, eto na guys, ang dining area ng Sangyup Salamat sa may Carmona branch, malinis siya at spacious. Pagkaupo natin, ayan, order na tayo agad ng ating mga kakainin and iihawin. Happy face! Congratulations, Mela!
Happy extension, sir.
Happy extension for both of us. Happy Sangyup, Paparay. LG. Kaya mo yan, B.
Nine ko ba yan?
Favorite mo yan eh.
Wow!
Alright. Kata gawa ka dito. So looks like marami na na-enhance at na-improve itong Sangyup Salamat sa kanilang menu, kagaya nitong boneless fried chicken. They have two flavors, isang original at isang gyangyom, and we like them both. Ang sarap nila, 10 out of 10. So here's our second round. So susulitin nga natin to guys. So we ordered more beef enoki, beef sangyup, and of course you'll see there the boneless fried chicken. Cheers sa inyo! Bechamel.
Wow!
Oh well, this is our third and final round. Well, as you can see guys, we just ordered the same type of menu. Beef enoki, the beef sangyup, and their boneless fried chicken. And of course, their unlimited side dishes. Napakarami nila and lahat sila ay masasarap. Lalo na yung kanilang white cheese. So there. Parang busog ka na Mela. Maluto.
Malaki yung ganun na room cup.
And yes, we are so full again. And my friends, this is something that we recommend for you, your friends, and your family to try on. If you wanna know the rates for Carmona branch, that's $5.99 per head per adult. But you may also want to reach out to their Facebook or their social media website to know the updated rates. So paano? Hanggang dito na lang muna tayo mga friends. So stay humble, joyful, and above all, let's do what makes us happy. See you on our next video and stay safe, my friends!